Welcome back to the Dirt Bike Lifestyle. Today we are on our way to BCMX for a ride day. They closed the track earlier this year, and because the warm weather, it's going to be 50 degrees today, they opened it back up, so we're going riding. I'm super stoked. I'm excited to bring the GoPro and test out the new GoPro. That was one of the biggest things. I want to use the new GoPro at BCMX, get a good video of their track. Unfortunately, they're in the middle of making changes. I don't think they were expecting to reopen, so I think it's going to be a somewhat makeshift day, but it's going to be a good day regardless, and I am excited to ride there today. It's going to be a good time. So I'm on my way there now. When we get there, we'll unload and get the GoPro strapped on, and we're going to have ourselves a day. So without further ado, let's get into some dirt bike lifestyle. Let's go. Holy shit. Holy. Damn. Well, I rode that one into the ground. Holy shit. Yeah, tell me you saw that. Holy shit. Dude.
And I see and then I looked back in there because I'm like, I wonder if it crashed. It looked like you saved it, but no.
After I got off the track, I was like, oh, okay, I'm good. And then I rode it into the wall of the track and just.
I seen you getting squirrely. I'm like, oh god. So I like checked up, got near him, like, I think he's good, but I said he kind of walking it off.
I was looking at that at the side of the track.
Yeah, I almost did the same thing the next lap.
Yeah.
Just hit it hard, came out, and just got all fucking.
Yeah, and then there's like he left it clumpy on the side, and it just sent like I lost control. I thought I was going down there, and then it kept.
Best case scenario. I mean.
Yeah.
You got it before you would have went off the jump. It was just.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Chatter pull.
Yeah. Like holy shit. But I had to come by and see if you seen it, because I'm like holy. You what? Yeah, I know.
Did you have yours on?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my god.
So I got it, but yeah. Yeah. That's a nice van.
I'll find you one like
it. Could have been a day ender right